Man, yeah, the day is not the same. Yeah, man, the day is not the same. Man, the day is not the same. People funny, yeah, they chop a things in your brain. The day is not the same. Man, the day is not the same. Reasons why I be high, yeah, like a plane. Cause the day is not the same. Man, people like them play them games, acting like they a fucking man, but they don't know I'm trying to reach like 100 bands. But people play it like they a fucking man. Be the first nigga try to set you up, yeah. Be the same nigga try to know what you want, yeah. They act like they a bro, but likely you don't know that they colder than the snow, yeah. Got me in the back, got me whooping up some dough, yeah. Bitches on my dick, cause they really like my flow, yeah. Cause I came a long way, gotta grind, and I don't care now what y'all say. A lot of people try to hate on me, let that hate go away though. And I'ma do what I gotta really do though. I'ma do this for my mother, and I'ma keep her grinding until I get further. Got connects like a charger. Man, yeah, I gotta grind, I gotta get the money, and I do this for my mind, cause I came from nothing, man. I gotta make something, yeah, they wanna pull me down, like, nigga, you ain't nothing, man. But I'ma show y'all what I'ma do, aim for success, nigga, and I don't need a crew. There's a lot of people, yeah, trying to hop the crew, and I ain't feeling that bullshit that they gon' do. Man, I gotta watch my back, I gotta play it smooth. A lot of people trying to put me out my mood until I put a nigga fucking face on the news. Got that shit with me staying with that fucking tool. It was hard for me. A lot of people really try to get in me and try to downplay me, man. That shit is crazy. To keep it real, I didn't have nothing. I had to grind, nigga. Yeah, I gotta make something. I gotta make bread. I gotta get this. Hopefully, I get back on some shit, man. I'm trying to get money, but people want to snitch, and I ain't with that shit. A nigga want to snitch, and I'ma hit him with that clip. Man, a lot of people talking, but all my niggas finna put a nigga in the coffin, though. Man, I be so high, I finna roll up some more dough. Cause a lot of pain is trust, nigga, you don't know. I do this for my niggas and my fucking bro. And I do this for my mother, you should fucking know. A lot of people trying, yeah, to get to me. But I can't let them get to me because I am me. Gotta grind, yeah, aim for success though. And I do this for my mother, you know that though. Gotta grind. Yeah, do this for my mom.